Here we go guys, first run of the FTX Crossbow. I've had this car for quite a while, but I've kind of like been on this fence about it because I wasn't that overly impressed by it. The running videos I've seen of it, it's a bit slow, so she's really got to perform today or it's going straight on eBay. We have just done the diffs, put some oil in the diffs. But yeah boys, let's see what this RC's about. I do think this is one of FTX's best looking RCs. Very much like the Traxxas Sledge. Yeah boys, awesome looking RC. Let's hope she performs. Quite a low kV motor in this, so yeah, let's see how she gets on. It's got that throttle delay as all of them have got. Yeah boys, that is not quick at all. Wow, that is stupidly slow. Wow boys, that is shockingly slow. Wow. I've seen other ones and they run quicker than that. Let's just make sure that we've got the throttle settings right on the ESC, because that shouldn't be that slow. I'm kind of wishing that I sold this and didn't keep it. A little bit better, I think. Yeah. Alright. It's not super quick. Yeah, we're going to definitely have to put a quicker motor in this, boys. Yeah, I don't think FTX is a brand that I'm gonna stick with on the channel. I mean, they are beginner friendly. That's what this channel's all about, introducing new RCs to people. See what it's like on the grass. It's a bit low on the back end. I think I've put the shocks, when I rebuilt it, I've put the shocks on wrong. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's about the same speed as me Ram Raider. Yeah, need some money spending on it, this one. Needs some shocks looking at, and it needs a bit of hotter motor putting in it. I think Vapor RC was on about putting 4S in his. I don't reckon this could handle 4S myself. It has got like metal diffs and that, but I just don't think the drive shafts are up to the job. Meow. You got to remember though, it is only a beginner's RC, and I think this for your first RC would absolutely be awesome. Got a bit of a dog coming over to check it out. It's changed its mind. Yeah, boys. Yeah, it definitely needs more power. See what motors we've got in the studio. I'm a bit worried that a 4000 kV motor in this is going to get a bit too hot. High kV motors in heavy cars tend to create a lot of heat. And there we go, boys. Just hit myself in the leg. It didn't hit that butt trim with broken arm. That is totally disappointing. I'm gonna be honest. I was on the fence about this car, about running it. I got it, spun the diffs, and I was just like, nah, this is a bit shitty if I'm honest. And now it's just kind of like sealed the deal. I'm just yeah, boys, I think this is going to be my worst purchase of the year so far. I'm going to be honest, that's how I feel about it. I think we're going to have to clean this up and sell it on. Yep, I don't think I'm even going to put a motor in it. If it's going to break as easy as that. Yeah, boys, sorry about that. Sorry for this being a bit of a negative video. That's just how I feel about it.